Welcome to After Another Adventure. Hey, welcome to our home. I'm Randy. This is my wife Jane.
Hi.
Today, well this evening, we're doing a Dutch oven adventure, red beans and rice meal. We're using a 10-inch Dutch oven. It's a Lodge. It's a really nice Lodge too. I really like the lid, the way it forms, and the way it has the concave.
Have that extra lip too.
Yeah, it'll hold the holes in there real well on the lid. Our ingredients calls for oil, Kabasa, or any type of sausage you want to use. Make sure that if it's not cooked, that you cut the casing off so it cooks better and faster. We have chopped green peppers, onions, celery, and then we have a Creole and Cajun seasoning, and a bay leaf and paprika. We have garlic, 2 pads of butter. We have red kidney beans, rice, 1.5 cups of water, and oil. In 1898, Utah, when they became a state, the Dutch oven was their national or their state pot. Just a little tidbit for you. We're gonna. This takes about 35 minutes to make, with 5 minutes prep time, and we're going to do it right on the open fire. When we add our ingredients, that we'll let the rice isn't cooked. We're going to let it simmer in the pot for 20 minutes. And there's the olive oil or vegetable oil,
Whatever your preference.
yes. And then it'll be our Kabasa. We're using Kabasa because it's not as spicy. And then we're going to add this to the fire, and we're going to brown it. Once it's browned, we'll add all our other ingredients. About to start to brown up well. Not too bad here in Kentucky. About 40 degrees. Rain's supposed to move in tonight though.
That sausage smells good.
I use the store-bought firewood that's kiln dried, and it's a burn light compared to regular firewood.
Yeah.
Yes, we're ready for the vegetables.
Alright.
Now we're going to add in our green peppers, onions, celery. Once those brown up a little bit, we'll add our seasonings. Now we're adding our chopped veggies.
Garlic.
Alright, our next step is the garlic. and seasonings. Stir it up.
I smell that. It really brought that smell to life. It's nicely stirred.
And now we're going to add our beans and our rice. Gentle stirring. Somehow turned it off. Alright, we got our beans added in, we got our rice added in, we have all the ingredients added in.
Look at that, yeah.
Yes. Now we're going to add the lid and going to let it come to a boil. No.
Put it on, come to a boil, then in.
Now we're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to take it away from the fire and let it simmer with the lid on. Alright, we're coming to a boil. We're going to put the lid on, slide this over from the fire. Ensure that you have a tight seal so that rice can cook well. These coals there, so I don't end up burning this. Alright, we got the Dutch oven set off to the side and the lid on, and I think I'm going to have to adjust this close. Get some more off to the side so this side doesn't burn. And we have 20 minutes. That has to simmer. It smells great. About 5 more minutes. We're waiting for that 5 minutes. We're going to do a cleanup because it's going on 8 o'clock. That's what you get for working on a Saturday, right? Alright, let's check this out. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Can you smell?
Smell-o-vision.
I'm gonna put a stand over here. No, I got a stand right there too.
Yeah. That'll be just as easy.
Alright, we're gonna take this into the house. But I gotta clean up the rest of this stuff. Can't leave it out here. Oh,
Oh, got that.
One last thing we need to add. The butter. That's garnish.
Yeah, I know. But I just brought it out for sure.
Yeah, definitely looks good. I'll put the marijuana in my pocket. Put the lid back on. Clean this up and take it in the house and we're gonna eat. Ta-da!
Looks fabulous.
Give this a quick stirring. Like I said, butter and the rest of it.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yes. It's time to eat. I'm hungry, like a bear. Now that looks good.